In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a scene in OBS. This is a quick and useful OBS skill to know, especially if you want to reuse the same visual element without rebuilding it from scratch. In this walkthrough, we'll be working inside OBS and duplicating a source by using the copy and paste reference option. That means the duplicated item will stay linked to the original, which can save time when you're setting up multiple scenes or layouts. Start by opening OBS on your computer. Once the program is open, let it fully load so you can clearly see your workspace. You should be able to see the preview area, along with the panels for scenes and sources. If you're new to OBS, the Sources panel is where individual items like images, cameras, text, browser sources, and screen captures are listed for the currently selected scene. Next, go to the Sources panel and select the source you want to duplicate. Make sure you click the exact source you want to work with, because OBS will only copy the item that is currently highlighted. This is important if your scene has several different layers stacked together. After selecting the source, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you several source-related options, and it's where you'll find the tools needed for duplicating the source efficiently. From that menu, click Copy. This tells OBS to copy the selected source so it can be reused. At this stage, nothing will visibly change yet, so don't worry if the preview still looks exactly the same. Once you've copied the source, right-click again in the appropriate area where you want to place the duplicate. In most cases, you'll be working again within the Sources panel of the scene where you want that duplicated item to appear. Then click Paste Reference. This is the key option for this method. Paste Reference creates a duplicate that still points back to the original source, which means changes to that source can affect all referenced versions. This is helpful when you want consistency across your setup and don't want to manage multiple separate copies of the same item. After pasting, you can reposition the referenced source if needed and continue organizing your layout. Just keep in mind that because it's a reference, it behaves differently from creating a completely independent copy. And that's all it takes to duplicate a source in OBS using Paste Reference. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.